Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the new release from Chanel, their new fairy tale, winter tale collection, this palette over here. Recently they've been coming a lot with these bigger formats, which I love, and as you can see here, this is one of their I think spring summer last year collection, and I've used this quite a lot and I use it all the time. Also this one over here, which I think it's very practical. You have a blush, you have a bronzer, and you have a highlighter. I haven't used this one as much, but I really appreciate their bigger formats, and I like that for travel, you know, when you have a lot of different products in one packaging. This is great. So anyway, let's just get into this. Okay, let's review this first. Oh, I always end up scratching the palette before even using them. Beautiful colors. I've been told that these two colors can be used as, actually these three can be used as blush, but because they kind of have a shimmer, I don't think I'll be using them as blush. But yeah, let's try on the eyes. Maybe let's try one eye this pink color, and then the other eye the purple color. I'll just go with a flat brush and we'll start. I really like these colors. These are definitely my colors. I really like the consistency. And it's definitely buildable. Maybe I'll go with this golden color in the crease with a more fluffy brush. In the other eye, I'm very curious to see how this purple performs. Wow, I love this purple. And I don't see any patchiness. It blends really beautifully. It's very easily blended. Wow, this is definitely my favorite color from this palette. And then I will go with my finger, this silver. Wow. Okay, it is good, but I mean in previous collections, I mean it's nothing. I mean they had this in so many forms. I can show you. I mean, if you're purchasing this palette for the silver, and you have any of these. This was, I think, their previous winter collection. It's very similar with this silver. Also, I can't remember. This is, I think, it was the one of their limited BEIGES limited edition. One of their limited edition collections. Also, this silver here, same. I was definitely mindful of this when I was buying this, and I was like, I was buying this for the purple because I was so curious about the purple. So yeah, it's very, very pretty. And I did not buy the highlighter because I have a lot of their highlighters, and when I saw it in real life, it's a bit flaky, and I don't know. I prefer, honestly, their classic highlighter, which is this. For me, this is the best highlighter in the world, which is their classic, because it's not flaky. It looks very nice on the skin. It gives you, you know, this glow without looking that you're shining from the outer space. So I really like it. And yeah, let's move on to something else. So moving on to the liquid eyeliner. This is also part of the winter collection. I love the color. It's red. Do you remember the mascara? It was also limited edition that I bought it from I put my hands on every single piece I could find. It's the same color and I'm really obsessed. I like reds and pinks and these kind of hues on me. So I thought that this would be very interesting and it would go with both colors. So I'll just get it down. On both eyes. Maybe let's just smudge it. I don't know if I should try this as a blush. Okay, maybe I'll try this on this side, but I don't think that it will be good as a blush, but I mean, let's try. I'm just using this blush brush from Chanel. No. No, I don't like it as a blush, to be honest. No, it's too metallic for me. No, sorry, I'm gonna take it off. I also wanted to talk about this blush with a highlighter. This was one of their limited edition. I couldn't find it at the time. It's sold out everywhere. But then my sales associate told me that it's available and if I'm interested to buy it. So I think it's really pretty, and I think that they are also can be used as eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna powder my face a little bit, and then I will go straight. I always feel so bad because the engraving is so pretty, but yeah, this is a nice color. It is not completely matte, but it has like a very nice sheen. And I like these kind of berry colors on the cheek more than the like orange or brown. I like these kind of colors. I don't have any foundation, just a little bit of concealer, because I wanted you to see how it looks. Yeah, it has definitely a sheen to it. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's try this highlighter. It's a bit lilac. No, this is really pretty. Okay, now I want to take this highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. And this is really pretty. I really like this. Okay, moving on to the last thing in this collection. This is lipstick. This is from their LAQUES. In the beginning I was not sure. These are like really not my colors. I'm more of a gloss person recently, but I tried it and it's really pretty. So you can go light with this one, or you can build it to make it more intense. Also, it's really nice when it stays a bit. And it goes well with both eyes. I feel I need a little bit of bronzer. So I'm just gonna go with this Le Beige bronzer. Maybe I'll just add a little bit of transparent gloss from this duo, because the lac is a little bit sticky, so if you don't like that, I mean, not as sticky as the lip gloss, but it's like tacky. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you want to see next. I was thinking to maybe do a video on Dior. I see that they have lots of beautiful new releases, so let me know in the comment section if you want to see Dior next, and if there's something in particular that you want to see. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next time.